Guys, it's your girl Shalae, and I'm back today to report on Bath and Body Works are reopening in Ohio. What in the world? Now guys, I'm gonna tell you straight up, I really had no intentions of doing this video. As you can see, I've pulled off my lashes, my makeup has set, like I was about to enjoy my Thursday, right? Like this is a day that I want to enjoy myself. I do not have to work. However, I had to report the news and bring you the news, and of course I value your opinion, so I want to read like what you think about it as well. So if you stay in Ohio, congratulations, your Bath and Body Works is reopening. Well, 2 of the stores are going to reopen, even though there's a stay-at-home order going on right now in Ohio. The government is allowing the store to go ahead and reopen on a trial basis. And the reason why, they're considering Bath and Body Works essential. Now, I'm a little bit leery on what we start considering essential. Okay, like this essential, I don't know, here in Huntsville, our liquor stores are open. Is that essential? Maybe to some people, maybe not. So I'm a little bit, like I said, leery on what are we really considering essential. Now, with that being said, I will say this. I understand from the standpoint of Bath and Body Works reopening, as far as because they do sell a lot of hand sanitizers and antibacterial soaps, and you know and I know right now, unless you're going to pay these astronomical prices that they're charging on Amazon or eBay, like it's costing what, almost $3,000 for hand sanitizer. And every time that you go into the store, it's hard to find. I mean, it's like looking for gold. You can't find any in any of the stores. So understand completely about them reopening under essential. Now, I would probably say maybe people will come in there and buy hand sanitizers, and I guess while I'm in there buying a hand sanitizer, more than likely I'll probably buy a candle and any and everything else. I mean, you know, at this point. So, I mean, I want to know your opinion. Do you think that Bath and Body Works is considered an essential store? Like, comment down below. Let me know exactly what you think about it, because, like, I can see that on one end. Now, with that being said, the store is stating that it will limit the amount of people that it allows in the store. So that works out well. And not only that, it will promote social distancing in the store. So I guess when you kind of think about it, if you're going to have the social distancing, and if you're going to be able to sell hand sanitizer, which we kind of need, then I'm going to go ahead and give it, my opinion is, I'm going to give it a go. I say that Bath and Body Works should reopen in the stay-at-home orders. Now, I know some people are going to say that's going to make more people go out. That's going to make a lot more people do things instead of staying at home. It can pass the virus along. Understand completely, but also too, what I like about it being on a trial basis is if it doesn't work out, then they will go ahead and shut the store down. But this also gives us kind of some of that research to see, like, you know, there's this big controversy on, do we return back to work to save the economy? Do we not return back to work? Do we stay at home? What exactly? So I think with this store reopening, or some of the stores that are open, such as grocery stores, you can kind of see, is this still transmitting it? Is it not? I don't know. I don't know if they're going to call back workers. It did not state that in the article at all. I just wanted to go ahead and bring you the news. So like I said, I don't make the news. Every now and then when the news actually, you know, it actually falls in our line as far as shopping, and you guys know that I love to go to Bath and Body Works, and they have like their semi-annual sale coming up. So anytime that the news kind of falls in line with something in my channel, I want to bring it to you. And then also, I value your opinion. Like, I value your opinion. So let me know, do you think Bath and Body Works is essential? That's the first question. Should they be open? And not only that, would you be shopping at Bath and Body Works? So if they are open in your area, would you go? And are you going just for hand sanitizers or not? And even thinking about that, guys, it just makes me think of another concept, is that technically, I guess you could get the hand sanitizers online, right? If you just really needed them, you can get them online, but then you have to wait a few days, and I don't know. So I'm still going to say yes. So my opinion is yes, they should be open. Now, with that being said, do I think that people are going to go in there and just buy hand sanitizer? Absolutely not. but that is just my opinion. Let me know your opinion down below, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this.